Good day, students. Today I want to solve problem under circle theorem. And in these questions, we are solving a problem under circle theorem. You have to take note that all the theorem must be in your memory, and also you must know all angles like corresponding angles, alternate angles, and the rest. Angles on the straight line, sum of angles in the triangle, which is equal to 180 degrees. Everything must be in your memory when you are solving problem under circle theorem. Now let's see what's on the board. You can see this is the center of the circle O. This is an isosceles triangle. When you see two lines are equal, we have three lines, 1, 2, 3, and two of the lines are equal. That is an isosceles triangle. And when two lines are equal, the base angles of that isosceles triangle, they are equal. Now what we need to do is that let's solve this angle T first. Now you have angles. This is a triangle. You have this angle, but you don't have this angle. Now have angle PSR. PSR. Put the angle on top of this, on this S, to signify that you are referring to this angle, plus angle RPS plus angle PRS equals to 180 degrees. What's the reason? Sum of angles in a triangle. The reason is very important when you are solving this type of questions in the theory, but using objective you don't need to be putting the reason. Okay, what's angle PSR? That's T degree plus angle RPS 81 degree plus angle PRS 53 degree equals to 180 degree. Now let's add it. 81 plus 53, that's 134. T degree plus 134 degree equals to 180 degree. Let's collect the like terms. T degree equals 180 degree minus 134 degree. 180 minus 134 degree, that's borrow 1 to this, that's 10, even that's 7. We're having 6, that's 46 degree. Therefore our T equals T degree equals 46 degree. Now let's see, the next thing to do is to get V degree and W, angle V and angle W. But before we get that, you must take note that these base angles, they are equal because it's an isosceles triangle. Now you now say, and before then, you need to know this angle, and this is a cyclic quadrilateral. How do you know that it's a cyclic quadrilateral? You can see the vertices, the edges, the four edges of the quadrilateral is touching the circumference. That's to tell us that it's a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, now say angle PSR plus angle PQR equals to 180 degrees. What is the reason? Opposite angles of a cyclic, opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. This angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. What's our angle PSR? Our angle PSR is T degree plus what's angle PQR? Now what you are looking for equals to 180 degree. What's angle T is 46 degree plus angle PQR equals 180 degree. Collect the right terms. Angle PQR equals 180 degree minus 46 degree. 180 minus 46. Borrow 1 to this, that's 10. 10 minus 6, 4. And that's 7. That's 3. That's 134 degree. Okay. Angle PQR is 134 degree. And let's say this is a triangle. Now say V degree equals to W degree. What is the reason? Base angles of an isosceles triangle. Okay, base angle of an isosceles triangle, because this is an isosceles triangle, the two sides of the triangle, they are equal. You can see the line, the crossing in that shows that it's an isosceles triangle. Since you have it like that, you cannot have angle QPR plus angle PRQ plus angle PQR equals to 180 degree. What's the reason? Sum of angles in a triangle. What's the angle QPR? QPR is V degree plus angle PRQ W degree plus angle PQR, we have it as 134 degree equals to 180 degree. Since you have V degree to be equal to W degree, you now replace it with this, with any of it, but I'm picking V plus 134 degree equals 180 degree. Now V degree plus V degree is 2V degree equal 2V degree plus 134 degree equals 180 degree. Collect the right terms. 2V degree equals 180 degree minus 134 degree. 180 degree minus 134 degree. Borrow 1 to that's 10, give me that 7. That's 10 minus 4, 6. 7 minus 3, 4 equals to 46 degree. 2V degree equals to 46 degree. Divide both sides by 2. We have 2V degree divided by 2 equals to 46 degree divided by 2. 2 cancel 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 2, 26, 3 degree. V degree equals to, because they are equal, W degree equals to 23 degree. What next do we look for? Our T degree equals to 46 degree. Okay, this is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.